Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can get a really big fish tank in Heartopia. So talk to Vanya here, and you're going to go to the fishing store, and you are able to purchase the large fish tank for 200 stars. I'm just going to purchase it because why not? And here you can also purchase this one, but this is just different colors. We have the medium fish tank as well as the small one. There is one also in the store section here or something. I don't remember where it is though, but it is only for the small and medium one. But I don't remember where. I think it's here, possibly. Hold on, let me actually check. To the time limited celebration sale. Yeah, in the general store they have it too, but they do not sell the big one. So if you want the really big one, you'll have to talk to Vanya about it. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!